the bust circumference. Note that to take this measurement, you have to advise your client to wear a proper bra that will keep the bust at the proper position. Then you ask your client to raise the arms up, take the tape around the person, and the measurement has to be taken at the fullest part of the person's bust. Ask the client to drop her arms down. You can now allow the tape to free up. The tape has to be straight at the back, just like you're seeing in the video. The measurement has to be at the fullest part of the person's bust. An emphasis on the proper bra is also very important, so that the bust has to be at the proper position. Then you take your measurement.